What's up everybody? We're on Koh Rong Sanloem on Empire Bay, which is the north side of the island. It's a small little beach town, bungalows everywhere, and very secluded from the rest of the world pretty much. Can't believe this is Cambodia.
So today we're going to be taking a water taxi from Empire Bay to Saracen Bay, which is on the same island but on the southeastern coast. So I believe it's about a 20-minute ride. We'll head over there, explore some of the other beaches that Koh Rong Sanloem has to offer.
But before that, we're going to take you back through the city, or city, more like a village, one strip along the beachfront, and it's just right over there. And you'll see all of the beachside restaurants and some of the bungalows that this secluded village has to offer. The sun is very intense, so we just lathered up our SPF 50. What do you think of this place so far?
It's really awesome. I love that there's pretty much no Wi-Fi anywhere on the island, so even if you wanted to check social media, you really can't, which is nice. And we woke up this morning to the sounds of like birds chirping, the sun rising over the trees in the jungle. It was just so beautiful.
So this is the beginning of the little town, the little beachfront village. And you can walk across the entire thing in about 5 minutes. So our bungalow is that way, the other side of the jungle right there.
It's a little bit secluded, but it's like a 3-minute walk from the beach. Like that.
We're coming up to this place right now called Yellow Moon, and it's pretty sweet. Wait till you see it. Just like a big campsite pretty much, like a stay-away camp. There's a hammock so nice. Just sit and read a book out there or something. There's some cool places to stay though. So once you get past the Yellow Moon hostel that we just walked through, pretty much just out of the village and kind of just walk through the jungle a little bit, and there's a private beach practically. Now we're coming to a more secluded area with less people. At night the tide gets really low and almost all of this is just beach. So now we're going to Saracen Beach, gonna head to the pier and then hop on a taxi. And these are the back streets of Mpai Bay. It's pretty much only like 2 back streets. The only time people are on time. Probably just chill right here. Yeah. Just chill over here. Thanks. I know. This beach is so much nicer. Ooh. Sorry. Was it cool? So we're only about a 35-40 minute boat ride to this part of the island, but it feels like a completely different island. As you can see, it's a little bit more luxurious. You think busier?
Yeah, I mean like more tourists, it
Seems like it's mostly like backpackers though, where we're at, and this is like
families,
this is a lot more families and the people who can spend a little bit more.
Afford $90 a night.
All right, we had 1 day left unbooked here on the islands, and we like this place so much we just decided to stay here on the 27th. So in 2 days we're gonna come back to this place and stay for 1 night. We just booked a bungalow for a little bit pricier than we normally pay, $30 a night, but
the other option, like it's a Chinese New Year right now, so everywhere is super booked. even all the dorms, tents, bungalows. The only other option was about $90. So
yeah, so that's a decent deal, and it's a beautiful place. Step right out of your bungalow, right there to the water. Hi. Oh yeah. Bye-bye, dog. Aw, following me? Coming with? He's coming with us, Emma. Yeah.
okay.
Bye-bye, bud. Oh. You coming with? See, he's coming with us now. I'm coming. Are you coming with us? Do you want to come to Empire? I didn't get you a boat ticket though. We didn't get you a boat ticket. Thanks.
Really sit next to
Alright, we totally forgot to close this video out yesterday, but thanks for watching and following us as we explored Empire Bay and showed you around where we're staying and also Saracen Bay.
We are going to be staying at Saracen Bay tomorrow night, and there's some other cool places around there that we didn't quite get a chance to explore, so we will definitely be doing that within the next few days. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel below. See you next time.
Peace.